Now, if you thought ukuthi July was Mkhwanazi month, awukakaboni. Just wait for August. Just wait for August. If you thought ukuthi July, you've seen it all. Lapho it was just a trailer, but no August we just pressing play. Now the ad hoc committee team ezohlala phansi noMkhwanazi and talk about ama allegations la wayenzile. It has been selected. It will be made up of 11 MPs, and from those 11 MPs, about 4 there will be ama ANC MPs, and then about 2 there will be DA, about 2 there will be MK, and then about 2 they'll be chosen by the smallanyana parties, and then OU1 it will be from EFF. Now I'm proud to say ukuthi EFF has chosen Usello Julius Malema. So as long as Usello Julius Malema is there, I know for a fact that Mkhwanazi will be protected. Now the duty of this committee is to just scrutinize the relationship of the SAPS senior leadership with the ordinary members of the public. But those ordinary members, they are just not ordinary members. So bazo scrutinize those relationships with amaphoyisa and business people basically. And then also bazo faka amatlas kulento le 360 million contract that was awarded to Uvusi Matlala. So they just want to check if that contract it was awarded based on merit, or it was just awarded because of siyamazi masimniki aphush umsebenzi. So they'll also be focusing on that. And then also bazo-checker also these 121 case dockets that were removed from the political killing task team and were removed by the National Commissioner Shadrack Sibiya, if I'm correct. And they will also focus kulento leyo, and then they will also focus futhi kuSenzo Mchunu, who tried to ban or to cancel or to just get rid of a political killing task team. They'll also sit down and discuss about that with Mkhwanazi. But ngisasho namanje, as long as uJulius Sello Malema is there, then I have nothing to worry about. Ngo-August bafethu, we are just pressing play. We are just lento kunibonisa nje ama-trailer asayifuni. August, we just pressing play.